Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue on your Windows 11 computer with the OOBE keyboard, LOB local or OOB religion error. The real experience on your Windows computer. Something went wrong, you can try again or skip for now. Let's fix that issue guys. First thing I recommend to go ahead and try and continue the installation. But if you have still having a problem, let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click on run as administrator. Click yes. Now you need to type here sfc space slash scan now sfc space slash scan now. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Verification need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. Guys, after finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC guys. You should, after this, you should good to go guys. After that, hopefully that can able to resolve your problems. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video.